Welcome back, everybody.
Mexican Fiesta will bring the sound, culture, and taste of Mexico to Milwaukee's lakefront.
Here to chat about this weekend's Fiesta, Tamara Olivas. Thank you so much for coming in. Tell us about some of the attractions we're going to see this year.
Oh my God, as usual, you know, I always like to start with the new things. What's new for Fiesta? What's coming up? And really, it's a little bit of everything and more. This year, I have to start with the drinks.
Okay.
I have to start with what are we going to be able to drink at Fiesta? And we're going to have a michelada, which is a beer drink with some seasonings. I have to tell you, it's
a beer Bloody Mary.
Well, yes, very similar. So it's very Wisconsinite,
okay,
but with a Mexican taste.
Oh, that sounds exciting.
You definitely have to try it.
Gee, thank you. And also, we hear there's a jalapeno eating contest.
I know.
For the brave.
They're pickled jalapenos, though, so it's kind of cheating.
Well, not
you want
really.
A raw, fresh.
I mean, people eat 20, 30, 40 jalapenos, so even if they're pickled, I wouldn't.
Okay.
I wouldn't do the 20 jalapenos. We have one of the great things that we're doing again this year is the run and walk, which is a great way to keep on inviting the community to stay healthy, to remind ourselves that with the family we can still do a healthy activity.
Sure.
So this is a great opportunity for the whole family. Grandma and grandpa and the stroller can be there. So everybody's invited.
Last 30 seconds for us before we get to the kids. Education. It's a lot of fun, but you want culture and education as well.
Absolutely. I would invite everybody, take the time to stop and visit the Cultural Village. Over 120 artisans directly from Mexico come and exhibit what they do. And everything's done with their hands and everything's done with love. So it's a great opportunity to take a trip through Mexico by talking to them.
And we have to mention the dancers we have here. They are from the Dance Academy of Mexico, and we're excited to have them here. What are they going to perform?
Well, they're going to dance Tamaulipas. It's
I'm glad you
region.
said that.
It's a region in the north, so you might find certain similarities to. I don't know, Irish or, well, probably not Irish, the Polish.
Let's get out of the way and
Mexican
watch them do their
Fiesta this
thing.
weekend at Summerfest.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We go this way,
We're going to
kids,
take
come
a
on
break
in.
and let the kids go and have fun. Thank you.